Hi guys, you have problem with your marine diesel engine, with your marine diesel generator? This is the moment. This is the moment to learn how to repair your engine, how to diagnose your diesel engine. Yes, we are going to follow the new marine diesel engine book. You find that book in my website www.mrlopezclasses.com, and also we are going to start a new course. The course starts on May 16. If you want to enroll, enter in my website www.mrlopezclasses.com, select the option courses and enroll. As soon as you enroll, you will receive the syllabus roadmap. In the syllabus roadmap, you have the description of the course and my recommendation to follow the videos week per week. We are going to spend like 7 weeks following a big course. This is the equivalent to 2 courses of college courses, Diesel 1 and Diesel 2. We are going to disassemble the engine completely. We are going to rebuild the head. We are going to hunt the cylinders. We are going to study the block, the pistons. And after that, we are going to analyze the sample, the oil sample. We are going to analyze the coolant sample. We are going to study the codes, the OBD2 codes in details. We are going to learn the process to create the harness, to install the sensors. It's a lot of information that we are going to study in this course. If you are interested, enroll in the course. Please, if you register like a member in our channel, you have a discount, 15% of discount. Apply to the discount. We are going to start the course on May 16. Don't forget, this is a wonderful course to learn about marine diesel engines with Mr. Lopez. Thank you.